Hi guys, my name is Nicole and I work in the security industry. In this video I want to show you everything regarding IP addresses on your PC. In this video I want to show you how to check what is your IP address on your PC, how to change your IP address on your PC and make it static, and lastly how to add an IP address on your PC so that you can have more than one IP address on your PC. Please remember to like and subscribe on my channel to get more technical content. Let's get started. So the first thing we are going to learn is how to check what is your IP address. Two ways to do that. First thing is to go to your command prompt. To do that, go to start, type in cmd, open your command prompt, type in ipconfig, and there you will see your Ethernet adapter. If you have wireless, you will have your wireless, and there you can see your IPv4 address. Currently mine is that with my default gateway, and that is my router's IP address. Second way to do it is to go directly to your adapter options. You can either go through your network settings, right click here, open network internet settings, and from there you can change adapter options. Click on there, and then you can be there. The second way to go there easier is open your run command, type in ncpa.cpl, press enter, and there you go. On there you will see your ether3 address. You can just click on there, double click, and the details, and there you will see what is your IPv4 address and your default gateway. So the next thing that we are going to do is how to change your IP address and how to make your IP address static. So you will have to find your way to your network settings again. Best thing to know to go is go to run, type in ncpa.cpl, and go to your adapter options. On there you can double click on your Ethernet that you want to change your IP addresses on. Go to properties, find your way to IPv4, double click on there. Here you can see I am already on static. When you are on automatic, it will look like this. So this is when you automatic. When you want to change to static, you need to click on there. You can type in your IP address that you want. 172.16.9.3 was my IP address. The subnet mask is quite important. /24 subnet mask is 245.245.245.0. That's the most common IP range subnet mask. Then the default gateway will always be your router IP so that you can get internet. 172.16.9.2, that is my router IP address. Your preferred DNS, I most of the time will make my IP address of the router again, the first one, and the second one I will do Google's IP address. That's 8.8.8.8. From there you can just save it and click OK, and there you go, you have changed your IP address to static. For the last thing for today, I'm going to show you how to add an IP address on your network. For this, you will need to go to your network settings as per the previous, to your IPv4 settings. For this, you're going to have to be on static because you're going to have to have more than one IP address. So this is going to be your default IP address. Go to advanced, and on here you can add, and then you can add an IP address, and this is then the IP address that you can add. And as you can see, you have more than one IP address. You can also add another default gateway. You can OK. It will just give you a warning that you have multiple default gateways, and then you can check again on CMD IP config. On here you can see you got 2 IPv4 addresses and 2 default gateways. That's it for this video. I hope you have learned a bit more about IP addresses on your PC. Please feel free to leave a question or a video suggestion in the comment box below. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more technical content. Cheers!